Hi Maya,
How are you?
please will you help me with a problem?
Yeah, sure. But what?
I'm not finding geography's first lesson easy.
I can't understand what you mean to say.
Actually, please can you teach me geography's first lesson?
Okay,
But from where do you find all these chapters easy?
by seeing Learner's Guide.
Okay, you have given me a tip. Now I'll watch the video and if I have any doubts, I'll ask you, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learner's Guide. So today we're gonna start with geography, lesson number 1 of class 8th. So what do you mean by geography? Geography is made up of geography is a word which is made up of two words. The two words are geo and graphy. So geo means, what can you say? You are correct. You are obviously correct. Geo means earth and graphy means the study, or it is also called a study of something or studying about a topic. So here in this word, graphy means the study of earth. So now today we are going to learn about geography lesson number 1 of class 8. So guys, let's start with the first lesson, resources. Mona and Raju were helping their amma to clean their house. Look at all these things: clothes, utensils, food grains, combs, this bottle of honey, books. Each of these has use, said Mona. That is why they are important, said Amma. These are resources. What is a resource? Was Raju's question to Amma. Anything that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource, replied Amma. Look around you and observe. You will be able to identify many types of resources. The water you drink when you are thirsty, the electricity you use in your house, the rickshaw you see or you use to get home from school, the textbook you use to study are all resources. Your father has prepared a tasty snack for you. The fresh vegetables he has used are all resources. So, guys, in this conversation, I think that you all may have been noticed many things and may have understand that what is written further in this lesson, because it is a short description about a lesson according to me. So, actually, a resource is, resource. It is mentioned here. So resource is a thing which we can use or which we use in our day-to-day life and which is our utility. Oh, okay, no problem. It's a utility. Okay. So water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetable and textbook have something in common. They have all been used by you, so they have a utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. How does something become a resource? Raju now wanted to know. Amma told the children that things become resources only when they have a value. Its use or utility gives it a value. All resources have some value, said Amma. Okay, so value here means the worth. So, what is the value of the food that your mother makes for you? It is really very delicious, no? So it becomes value, and value makes a substance a utility. Okay. So you have to understand about what is value. We'll read it further. Value means worth. Some resources have economic value while some do not. For example, metals may have an economic value. A beautiful landscape may not. But both are important and satisfy human needs. So some resources can become economically valuable with time. So yeah, there are some resources which can get economically valuable by time. Your grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today. So if you go to market and sell your grandma's homemade remedies for some or the other diseases, you will get you will get very low price or low amount for them, because they are not patented, or patented means they do not have a specific brand which is popular. And patent means we can call it as exclusive right over any invention or idea. So if they are patented and sold by a medical firm tomorrow, yeah, if they are sold by medical firm, like there are many medical firm today which are selling their products, they could become economically valuable. So according to it, they'll gain a price. They'll gain a huge amount or huge price for the remedy. Guys, it's glossary time. Technology. So, what is technology according to you? Technology can be internet according to you, or it can be mobiles, computers. Okay, so you are on the right path of of understanding the meaning of technology. So technology over here is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. So you also know that what is which is the latest mobile. So you get the answer. This is the latest mobile, or it is the latest technology nowadays. So yeah, it's that only. It is the application of latest knowledge and skill in doing or making things. So guys, time and technology are really very important factors for the value change of any resource. Both are related to the needs of the people. Yeah. So they are indirectly or directly related to our needs. So buy time means that if I am buying anything at rupees 100 today, so after 10 or 20 years, it will be 10 or 20 rupees more expensive, or it can be 10 or 20 or any amount, it can be cheaper at that rate. So it's written there, and which is obviously related to us. People themselves are the most important resource, as we've read right now that the invention of one thing leads to invention of other thing. That as we are resources, we have ideas, we have new ideas of creation of new things, our knowledge, invention, and discoveries that lead to creation of more resources. It happens indirectly. Each discovery or invention leads to many others. Yeah. The discovery of fire led to practice of cooking and other processes, while the invention of wheel ultimately resulted in the development of newer modes of transport. Yeah. The technology to create hydroelectricity. Yeah, hydroelectricity is a type of electricity generated using the gravitational force of water. Yeah, you must have learned it before, or earlier, that when the water falls from a very higher place, when it falls down uh, vertically without turning, so due to its force, its gravitational force, the some electricity is produced, or it can be produced, which is called as the hydroelectricity. Okay, so here's a girl, she's asking her mama that, so I am a resource too. Her mother says, a very valuable one. Yeah. So types of resources. Resources are generally classified into natural, human made, and human. So, resources are generally classified into natural. Okay. Natural means can say as fruits and vegetables. Human made, as we have read now only, that if fire was discovered, after fire we invented to cook, or we started practicing cooking also. And human, as we all know. Now, natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. The air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soils, minerals are all natural resources. Many of these resources are a free gift of nature and can be used directly. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use a natural resource in the best possible way. So, this is resources that are drawn from the nature and which are used without modifying are called as natural resources. For example, we can say, as we can call fruits. So, when we pluck a fruit from a tree and after washing it, when we directly start eating it, then it is called a natural resource. But when the farmers pluck the fruits, they send it to a factory, and in a factory, various jams and pickles are made up of it, then it cannot be called as a natural resources, because then the resources are totally modified, or the fruit is turned into jam. So the air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soils, minerals are all natural resources. Yeah. So these are also natural resources. The air we breathe means the oxygen, the carbon dioxide means all the things which are provided to us by the nature are all natural resources. So many of these resources are free gifts of nature and can be used directly. So free gifts by nature means they can be called as fruits or vegetables, and can be used directly means the sunlight. We can use it directly without having it. In some cases, tools and technology may be needed to use our natural resources in the best possible way. So yeah, some children like you and me may not love having the fruits. They may like some fruit jams. So humans have also made it easy to turn the natural resources in its best possible way. Oh, so guys, now we've reached the end of today's session. So yeah, I'll once again come with continuing this same lesson in another video. Till then, you watch the video, you understand the concept, and please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Okay? Bye.